Hi, thank you for tuning in to Red Lion Realty's YouTube channel. Today we're with Denise Tomasini at Supreme Lending. She's got some great products. She has one that's in particular that is very hot and very important to go over with right now. Denise, could you take a second and kind of go over what this product is?
Absolutely. Thank you for meeting with me today, Richard, and giving some of your valuable time. So the program is a 2-1 buy down. And as consumers, you'll hear this a lot out in the marketplace, social media. And what that means is today you're purchasing a home. Your fixed interest rate, 30-year fixed, is 7 1/8. I'm just going to throw a rate out there that's about average market rate today. So if you're at 7 1/8 today, that means when you close on your home and make your first payment for the first 12 months, your interest rate could be as low as 5 1/8, right? 2% lower. That's where the 2-1 buy down comes in. So for the first year, 5 1/8, which means your payment could be $200 to $300 less than what it would be at the full market rate at 7 1/8. And then at the 13th month, your payment would go to your interest rate would go to 6 1/8 for the next 12 months. So at the 25th month, you're at 7 1/8, fully amortized for the remainder of the 30-year term of your note. This is not an ARM. It's a fixed rate, fully amortized, no prepayment penalty. You can refinance at any time. The beautiful thing is the seller is paying seller concessions at closing, which means their seller is providing funds towards your closing cost. Those funds can be paid towards subsidizing your payment for the first 24 months. Anything, let's say you refinance after the first year, rates come back down next year, which is what we're hearing a lot of predictions about. If that's true, then you could refinance the funds that you did not use, that you didn't need, you could put back on your principal balance. You don't lose that money. It's a fantastic product because it's not an ARM, it's not an adjustable rate, it's a fixed rate, and it's not buying down your interest rate. It's not a discount.
You wouldn't get that money back if you paid money down towards that.
Right. This way you could be getting some of that money back that you didn't use to subsidize your payment. So if you refinanced, you close in December, we're in November. You make your first payment in February. You refinance at the end of next year. You would actually get those funds back toward whatever funds you didn't use that the seller paid to subsidize your payment would go back on your principal balance. It's a fantastic product. It's a fixed rate, no prepayment penalty. You're taking advantage of a lower rate that's 2% for the first year, lower than market rate.
And a better real estate market.
Absolutely.
Because, gosh, just a few months ago, it was a bidding war, 25 to 50,000 over asking. Today, you can buy at market rate, slightly below. You can get concessions from the seller. It's not a race to closing. You can actually do inspections.
There's no longer appraisal waivers. It's a great time to
Exactly.
buy because you're getting homes at affordable pricing today. Sellers are more willing to work with you as a buyer, and you're getting an interest rate below 2% market rate to start. And hopefully the goal would be to refinance within that first 24 months so you never go to that fully 7 1/8 interest rate of today's market rate. It's a win-win. And again, it's fixed. It's not an ARM. I guess you could look at it almost acts like an ARM, but it isn't. You know, if you don't refinance, if life happens, worst case, at the end of 24 months, at that 25th month, you're at your interest rate that you locked in with your lender at that time. Thank you so much.
What a great resource. It allows you to take advantage of the great market that's going on today. Plus you get a lower rate. And when rates do come back down, it is going to go back to multiple offers, highest and best. So as a buyer, the savvy ones that are out there looking at real estate and buying it today and using these programs. If you want to talk real estate, please give us a call. You can reach me at 832-646-2886, or you can connect with Denise on any mortgage questions at...
Absolutely. Any lending questions, mortgage needs, love to speak with you. 713-829-8981. Denise Tomasini, Supreme Lending. Richard Luebeck, Red Lion Realty. Please keep us in mind.
Let's talk real estate. Thanks.